Hello everyone, welcome to our Hearty Eat series brought to you by the Heart Foundation of Jamaica. We have some exciting and fun-filled sessions where we will be showing you simple, creative ideas on how to use locally grown fruits, vegetables, herbs, and other Jamaican foods to make heart-healthy meals, snacks, and beverages. Get your chef hats on and your cooking skills ready to take on the kitchen. Stay tuned as we jump right into things.
Hi everyone, I'm young chef Victoria, and today I'm going to be making a healthy snack that you can eat when you're studying or watching TV, and it just consists of dry nuts. So here I have raisins and almonds and cranberries and cashews, peanuts and sunflower seeds. So you can just put them all in a container together. This can last up to 2 weeks if stored in an airtight container. So I'm gonna put some in a bowl. And yeah, you can try this at home. It is really quick and easy.
For this and more heart-healthy recipes, visit our website at www.heartfoundationja.org, on Instagram at heartfoundationja, and on Facebook at Heart Foundation Jamaica. Do enjoy!